Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel Firdousia Vlogs. We have passed out 1 week of Ramadan and here's the 8th day. Thanks for clicking on to this video. You're watching the 8th video in AHLAN Ramadan series only on Firdousia Vlogs. Today I'm gonna show you all the recipe of Muhallabia. This is an Arabic milk pudding which you can make out in just minutes. And the awesome fact is that it requires only 4 ingredients. Those ingredients which you can easily find in your kitchen. So without any further ado, let's start with the recipe. To start with, I've taken 1 cup of milk in a bowl which I'll be keeping aside. While in another bowl, take half a cup of milk. Into this, I'll be adding 4 spoons of corn flour. Mix this up really well and make sure that no lumps are formed. Now, I'm gonna heat a pan and add in 1 cup of milk which we had kept aside. When the milk starts to boil, add in the corn flour mix into this. Now it's time to mix this continuously without letting your hands free. Otherwise, it will start sticking into the bottom of the pan. Now add in a spoon of rose water. This is the key ingredient which gives flavor to our muhallabia. But I know many of you won't be having rose water in your home right now. So you may recreate this part by adding any typical essence or flavoring agents. Now it's time to sweeten this up. Here I'm adding 4 spoons of sugar. As I've said before, the amount of sugar is totally dependent on the level of sweetness that you prefer. Mix this up. The only thing that you have to keep in mind is to mix this up continuously so that no lumps are formed. So our mix is ready and now it's time to pour this into bowls. So I finished filling up the bowls. Cover this up with a cling film and cool them in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. So I've taken a bowl of muhallabia out of the fridge and I'm gonna garnish this with some pistachios. So that's it, we are done with this easy recipe of muhallabia. Don't forget to try this recipe and share your feedbacks through the comment box. Just 4 ingredients, 2 hours, and that's it for a bowl of muhallabia. Hoping that you liked the video and will try the recipe too. We'll be meeting with yet another video tomorrow. Till then, goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.